Let's begin in a seated position, sitting on the top of your mat. Inhale, breathe in, open up the chest. Exhale, extend the elbows and round the spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Connect your body with your breath. Feel the nice stretch. Stay connected with your breath. Take a deep breath in and out. Another stretch. Bring one leg forward, hold your feet and extend the leg. Reaching your arms back of your mat. Continuing the nice twist here through the spine. Slowly release. Hold your feet. Slowly release. Switch to another side. Feel the nice twist. Stay connected with your breath. Take your hand back. Slowly release your hand. Release your leg. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Next, move to tiger pose. Take a deep breath in and out. Extend your right leg back. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Breathe in, breathe out. You should do at least 10 times. Switch to another side. Stay connected with your breath. Now bend your elbows. Touch your chest and chin onto the mat. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in and out. Bring attention to a sensation in the body. Slowly release. Same position, alternative leg and hand rising. Take a deep breath in and out. Stay connected with your breath. Next stretch. Extend your right leg back. Bend your knee. Touch your forehead and back. Touch. Release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Switch to another side. Touch. Release. Bring attention to a sensation in the body. Slowly release. Next, move to prone posture. Lay down on the abdomen. Join your legs. Take your hands up to chest level. Only chest level rising. Cobra pose. Take a deep breath in and out. If you are comfortable, rise up to navel region. Inhale, open up the chest. Exhale, slowly release. Feel very nice and gentle back extension. Stay present with your breath. Keep your lower body relaxed and focus strengthening the back muscles here. Slowly release. Take a deep breath in and out. Next, move to supine posture. Lay down on the back. Take a deep breath in and out. Bring your knee onto the chest. Bend. Release. Connect your body with your breath. Now both legs. Bend. Release. Take a deep breath in and out. Stay present with your breath. Again, I am remembering you. Each and every exercise you should do at least 10 times. Slowly release. Take a deep breath in and out. Now single leg rising 90 degree. Rise. Release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now rise, bend, release. Alternative. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring attention to your sensation in the body. Watch your every thoughts and giving yourself the ability to be still present with yourself. Take your hands above the head. Alternative leg and hand rising. Take a deep breath in and out. Rise, release. Both leg and hand rising. Focusing on the inhale and exhale. Bring attention to your body and mind. Watch your every thoughts. Slowly release your hands, release your legs. Take a deep breath in and out. Take your hands above the head. Come to seated position. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Bending from the hips, not the lumbar spine. Try to keep your knees straight. Feeling a nice big stretch in the hands, thigh muscles, calf muscles. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Slowly release. Relax in Shavasana relaxation. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the inner changes in your whole body. Now your body and mind more and more activated, energized. Feel the calmness in your body and mind. Enjoy the inner silence. Enjoy. Now slowly come to sitting position. Right hand above the head. Turn to your right side. Support of your both hands. Slowly come to comfortable sitting position on your mat. Inhale. Reach your both hands up to the sky. Exhale. Hands down. Inhale, welcoming all the positive energy into your body. Inhale and exhale. Thank you.